What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So let's talk about Shiba Inu. I feel like that's the talk of the town right now because of what's happening with Shibarium, the potential launch, and whenever that is actually happening on this specific date. But as we get closer and closer and closer to middle of the month, we start to see things that are taking off a little bit. I mean, Bone has been moving quite a bit for some time, and we were just waiting for kind of that impact to Shiba Inu. And we are seeing that. We're getting dangerously close to dropping a zero, which is fantastic to a lot of people because some people bought at a really low price, and now you're seeing that zero that's dropped, and you're able to maybe close to double your position, and then you're averaging down, you're gathering more. People are holding a billion because of how cheap the price actually is. So it's looking like it's going to be a benefit to a lot of people, and we're seeing a lot of money that's going through Shiba Inu. So anyways, guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter at Perry8K, you can follow me over there. Now, Shibarium is supposed to launch in August. When they came out with that information, it's like, I guess maybe a little bit of a sigh of relief from a lot of people, happened because they were like, all right, well, we're never going to get a release date. They're just going to announce it. But saying that saying that it's going to be released in August is definitely something that you can look at as a sort of release date, right? A release range, which makes a lot of people feel great because we're finally getting information on it. We've had barely any information for a long time, and while we thought Shibarium was coming third quarter of last year, now we're looking at third quarter of this year, and it's making people feel like maybe they just had they were just a year off, right? But still, it's creating a lot of hype within the community. It's creating a lot of hype within crypto, and while you see the market's not really flowing in the right direction, Shiba Inu is going a different route. It's going a different way. And I'm really excited about that. So let's go ahead and check out the chart. Let's see what it's doing, and what we can take away from this. So anyways, like I said, guys, hit the like button and hit that subscribe button if you guys are interested in Shiba Inu content and meme coin content, as well as just cryptocurrency content overall. But let's go ahead and look at this. So we're looking at coin market cap right now, Shiba Inu coin, which is currently up 9.29% at the time of stating this and the time of recording this, which is 7:55. By the time you see this video, it may have already broken a zero, right? Or dropped that zero. Now, some people will look at this dropping a zero and say, well, that doesn't really matter. Dropping a zero is not important because we've already been to that spot. But the climb is more important than the fall, obviously. Seeing the climb back up to all-time highs and then seeing it break all-time highs, way more important than what you see with that fall. Now, I can argue and say that the fall is important because it depends what people do and how many people decide to invest in the position. So while it was dropping, you did have an increase in the amount of holders, and you see about 1.236 holders. We're seeing a decrease in holders right now. Maybe people are accepting some profit that they ended up buying at lower levels because some people just purchased Shiba Inu coin recently rather than in the beginning or in the middle stages of it. So seeing 1.3 million holders shows that we bought at the bottom, that a lot of people bought at the bottom. We wanted to see this thing rise, and the rise makes it very, very important. As we see the rise happen, the reason why that's so important is because we want to see holders do just that, hold on to the position until they see a certain level of profit. Or hold on for a longer period of growth. Either way, I'm going to find a place to take profit, but I want to see it above or get to those all-time highs. Maybe we'll see a resistance at those all-time highs, a short resistance, but who really knows as of right now. But like I said, we gained about 200,000 holders from the high point, maybe even more than that, 300,000 holders from the high point all the way down to this low point that we saw. And now we're starting to see maybe that little bit of a climb. Now, who knows how long this this hype will last and this push will last. I don't want to see it just resist at this level because I feel like it's a lot stronger than this level. However, you have to understand that it could play catch up to the market, and playing catch up to the market would mean that we see this start to drop a little bit. And, it's already at, instead of 9%, it's already at 8%. And as you can see the chart, it hit this high point 2 times of 0.000095, which means that we could see, maybe a little bit of a retracement because it is a double touch point, right? A double top, which never really proves to be the most bullish, movement there, or bullish pattern. Now, again, we've seen a decent amount of movement today, and it's all because of the amount of volume that we've seen go into it. We see 425 or 431 as it changed $1 million worth of volume today, up 143% in volume. Now, that is amazing, right? $425 million, not thousand, $425 million to 431. It just keeps changing back and forth. But $400+ million that's gone through Shiba Inu. That's fantastic. That brings us back to levels and areas that we haven't seen, for a while. Until things that were dropping, you see the volume that's happening, but it's more on the negative side. So it's great to see that. I want to see it get up to $1 billion where it used to hover. But who knows, if that's going to happen, now. It might happen closer to the date of Shibarium's release. So this Shibarium's release, or the Shibarium release, is getting a lot of people hype about what's going to be next for Shiba Inu. Will we see a drop of 0? Will we see a drop 2 zeros? And really, only time will tell whether we are going to drop those zeros, and also the investors, right? Investors on what they're going to do will tell us if we're going to see that. And I would love to see 2 zeros drop. I'm sure everybody watching this video would love to see 2 zeros drop as well. But let me know what you think is going to happen, because will we see a break a 0 today or a drop a 0 today? And will we see a drop of 0 as we see Shibarium's launch? What will happen during that time period? So guys, if you could, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the gains that you see with Shiba Inu, because nothing else in the market is really running in any direction, or in the right direction, I believe. So hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, comment down below. And also, if you guys want to subscribe to my Patreon, or follow me on Twitter, feel free to do those. Those links are down below as well. But I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.